Shock scandal, Messi hospitalized after France beat Argentina. Lionel Messi hospitalized after France beat Argentina 4-3 and knocked them out of the World Cup. Update. Final score 4-3. Lionel Messi and his Argentina teammates, who narrowly escaped being ousted from the first round of the World Cup against Nigeria, are set for a fresh crunch battle. The World Cup knockout stages get underway as heavyweights France and Argentina go head-to-head at the Kazan Arena. While Argentina scraped through to the knockout stages, finishing as runners-up to Croatia, Les Blues came top of Group C after 2 wins and a draw. The winner of today's bout will play either Uruguay or Portugal in the quarter-finals on Friday, July 6 at the Nizhny Novgorod Stadium. Stay with us for the live updates. Kickoff is 3 p.m. France starting 11, Lloris, Hernandez, Umtiti, Varane, Pavard, Kanté, Pogba, Matuidi, Griezmann, Mbappé, Giroud. Argentina starting 11, Armani, Mercado, Tagliafico, Mascherano, Rojo, Otamendi, Banega, Di Maria, Torres, Pavon, Messi.
Yeah.